everyone, it's me Tiffany from the blog itsmeladyg.com, lifestyle wellness blog for women made to help you bring health and wellness into your everyday life. I am a certified health coach and I am a lover of all things wellness and self-loving and self-indulgent. I'm really getting back into clean beauty and things now that I swear to you that postpartum is not just the 1 year that after you have a baby. I swear it's like 2 whole years, 3 years if you ask some people, 5 years if you ask other people. I'm finally getting into more beauty products and things and testing stuff out. So I will be sharing more of that content over here. So make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't already, because that really does help out, and hit the thumbs up button. I know you hear it in all the other videos because it does help with the YouTube algorithm. Today I am going to unbox the latest Detox Market Detox box that they have. It's a monthly box that you can subscribe to. You can either buy 1 month or you can buy 3 months or more than that. And it's for $55 a month, and you'll get at least $90 worth of product, clean beauty products, which you know I'm about, low and non-toxic beauty products for our skin and body and everything like that, because it really does make a difference. Some of the other products that we might have traditionally grown up and stuff, it has been shown to be endocrine disruptive, so like it may lead to hormonal problems, stuff like that. And if you go back, I'll link the video that I'm about to reference right now in the description box below. I have talked about how I had a whole hormonal breakdown and I had to switch everything up, try and lessen my toxic load and stuff like that. And so I only use clean beauty products that are low or non-toxic for myself and my family, and that is why I have switched to all of that, and that's why I'm sharing this with you today. And full disclosure, the Detox Market did send this over for me to review and to share, but I've been a Detox Market shopper before I even got a chance to partner with them. So I'm only sharing stuff that I would buy anyway, just saying. As I mentioned, each box that you get it monthly or whatever it is that you sign up for. You can get it for $55 and you'll get $90 worth of product. Each month you will have different stuff in the box. There's 1 month where there was multiple things, and there's a couple of months that you'll have maybe 2 products or so, really depending on the value and the price of the products themselves individually. And just overall, we can't really kind of get around it right now. Low and non-toxic products do have less toxic ingredients, so it is a higher price point than you will find in other products and things like that. And I try to kind of counter that by just buying higher quality things, which actually turn out being better because it is more concentrated as far as the ingredients. So I have less products, like a quarter of the products that I used to have way back, but I have better products that actually work. I think I did a blog post about it, and if I did, I did a blog post about it, and I'll link it in the description box as well, sharing some of my favorite hair products. That's what the blog post is about. The hair products that I've been loving, especially as a Black woman and choosing to use less toxic products. Is kind of tough sometimes to find things. I have shared what I've been loving in that blog post. It took way longer for me to say that for whatever reason, but I'll share that in the description box below, and you can go and check that out. This month's box includes 2 products. As I mentioned, the amount of products really does change with the value, but for $55 you'll get the products from KORA Organics, and it's from Miranda Kerr. Am I saying it right? The funny thing is that I actually have something kinda in common with her. I'm pretty sure, and if it's true, this will make the video, that she went to the same school that I did to get my certification to be a holistic health coach. So we have that in common. They include usually in the box some literature for the product to kind of explain to you how to use it and what it's made of and all that stuff. And the big thing that I really love about most clean beauty things is that I shouldn't have to search for what the ingredients are on a particular, on a particular product. And that's a lot of times with more toxic products. I have to go to the website and figure out what it is that they include in it. And sometimes they'll say what a product doesn't have, but it won't share with you what they do have. in it. Like, I want to know every single ingredient that's in there. But in this particular product box, it includes the Noni Glow Face Oil, okay, and the Turmeric Brightening Exfoliating Mask. When you get the box, it comes like that. I've obviously opened the seal, okay, and as much as I love the Detox Market, they use, which is biodegradable and compostable packaging, paper packaging, filling. But my kids, Lord have mercy, they get a hold of this, they throw it all over the place, okay? And so it's like, it's a good and bad thing. Here you have the mask. It's the Turmeric Brightening Exfoliating Mask. It's a 2-in-1. So I'm pretty sure, so you can use it as you know what's funny? If you've watched my videos from way long ago, I'm always dropping something in every single video. It's I don't know what it is. Something drops in every single video, and I guess the thing continues. You can use it as a mask or like an exfoliant, and it has the prettiest of packaging. Okay, there you go. It's like the light is kind of messing it up, but it has the prettiest packaging, and all of the ingredients are on the box. There we go. It's like none of them, 99.8 natural origin total, and there's a lot of certified organic ingredients in there as well. The thing about buying stuff from the Detox Market, they've kind of done a lot of the vetting as far as the figuring out what is, you saw that, right? Detox Market does a lot of the investigating for you as far as how toxic the ingredients are, and really they don't put anything on their website that would have like high toxic or anything that's really bad for you. So it's really reassuring to shop from there. The mask is made for all skin types, it says at the top. And let's see how, it has a seal. And it's like a darker color here. There you go, it's kind of a darker color. I'm not gonna do a whole review. It's really nice. It's really nice. I'm not gonna do a whole review now because this is just an unboxing video. So make sure that you subscribe and come back because I will review it either here and or my blog. So you can go and check out my blog. You know how to do that. It's downstairs. Yes, downstairs in the description box. Mask retails for $48, just the mask alone, okay? And we're gonna get to the oil right now and unbox the face oil. Face oil retails for $68. Let's do the math real quick. That's $116 as far as product if you bought them individually that you're getting in the monthly, this November box for $55. So I really love a face oil. If there was one product, if there were two products I had to buy all the time, if somebody said you could only buy 2 more beauty products forever, okay, I would pick an exfoliating product because I love that exfoliating life, and also a good luxurious, decadent, nice face oil. Love it. Those two things, yes. The Noni Glow Face Oil, and let me smell it. Very nice. Let's do it again. What I really love about clean beauty products if they really have the right ingredients, because a lot of people be doing that greenwashing now as far as making, using like, oh, it's derived from natural ingredients, and it'll be like the last ingredient on the ingredient list, because that's a whole other video about how to read ingredient labels on beauty products. But if it's the last product, that ingredient that's on the ingredient list, that means that they like put 1 drop of something that maybe have like shea butter or whatever it is in the product. Okay, that's not real. That's not real clean beauty. Good clean beauty has traceable and non-toxic fragrance options in their products, and usually it is derived or it is from essential oils of some sort, and this does just that. It's very, very clean smelling, and it's not obnoxious or overwhelming. Then that, of course, with most natural oils, let's say if you're getting a natural fragrance, you're gonna have to reapply in the day. But the good thing about a face oil is that if you do put it on, and let's say if you don't love the smell of it, it's gonna go away. It's not gonna be there all day the way that some other fragrances and stuff. It's not made to be there all day. It kind of sinks into your skin. That's what beauty products do. And that's what may be the potential toxic part about the whole thing in the first place. So yes, your skin is a sponge and it's taking it in, and I'm putting some of the oil on and it's already so very, very nice. I love a nice thick oil, and yeah, I'm gonna dig into that further and report back to you. I think if you bought it individually, that is it worth the $68? Now, as I'm getting older and I am knowing where to spend my money, I would say so, and I wouldn't hesitate about it. Over first impressions, I like the way that it's feeling. Okay, again, I will report back. I'm sharing this so that you know about the Detox Market boxes that they have, the Detox boxes. They're monthly. We'll share more boxes with you as they do come, and I really do encourage people, everyone really, to start to look into cleaner label products. And while, I'm just saying, everybody out here buying a whole bunch of products, and if you're spending money on a bunch of other things, make sure that you keep your health in mind, and that does pertain to what you put on your skin, and not only just what you're eating and putting in your body, it's what's on your body as well. I hope that this was helpful as far as sharing what is in the box and what's available and what's out there, because the thing also about cleaner beauty products is that you may not see it. Like, it's now starting to get, some of them are starting to be in like Sephora and other things, but sometimes a lot of times they're really independent, and so you have to go out and seek the brands, which makes it a little bit difficult for people who are kind of new in the space. So if you did like this, make sure to share it and to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because that tells me that you want more content like this. So that is it for today. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you next time, friends. Bye.